not final rule. Wealth divine, let rivers of glory entwine. Bless my children, my work, my seed, meet every want and every need. At angelic prayers we roar and praise, till heaven sends falling ways. The angels are here, the case is open, the blessing is yours from angelic prayer. Take it now. Take it now. Evans Low.
Rolling, moment is divine. This place is open heaven. Here at Angelic Prayers, the angels are not visitors, they are carriers of miracles. Soft knock.